The triplets.
Triplets.
Wala yan sa usapan, sir.
Hindi, nag-usap-usap kayo.
Wala, hindi dami.
Dito na sa office.
Nagkagulatan na lang sa...
Yan. We are going to party, Chines. Oh, diba? Basta siya. Baba. Oh, hi kayo.
Picturean mo kami, dali.
Bakit kayo lang?
Picturean mo kami.
Hi ka, Kuya John. Merry Christmas. Ay, ano sinakyan nila? Di saan na pumunta? Matala. Mas maganda naman nakamotor. Hi, sir. Welcome. Hi, nila din.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the...
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, it is still morning. What I would say, for the past 2 years, it was plenty of information, good, bad, good news, bad news, and so on, that came around. And I would say I didn't bother all the stuff with all those good and bad news that came along. So today I will make a little bit history of what happened on administrative and contractual way during those past 2 years to make you understand the situation. Okay, so let's say now the pandemic is over, almost. Traffic is very, very, very bad. Almost done. Except that there is still something that is remaining from the pandemic, is all the meetings, or 90% of the meetings, are online. That is good to save time, but I would say it's not good for the good, to have a good contact with the client and with the people. Okay? So, a little bit of history. The original contract was for 5 years. But it is connected to the completion of the construction. And completion of the construction up to New York. Not only up to Dr. Santos, but up to New York. And going to New York will be maybe 28, 27, 29, who knows? Okay.
So, napasi siguro niya yung ating
natanggap ay project completion bonus. Hindi na tayo. Hindi na no, kaya project completion bonus, yung project natin, first contract, yan na. Kaya project completion bonus, yung 5 years natin, na-extend ng contract addendum. So, makaitong natin, 50% lang from LNC yung DPWH share. I-claim pa yun.
Meron pang Christmas bonus.
So, yung completion bonus yan. Pasyal pa lang. So, Merry Christmas. Thank you very much. No, something very important that I forgot. The beginning of 2022 was the completion of the viaduct all along the line and the connection to the existing line. It was a very, very important step for the project and for our activity. Thank you everybody. Merry Christmas and enjoy.
Thank you so much, sir, for that message. So, ngayon, so now, may I request everyone to stand?